So with all these credit card choices out there, how do you know which credit card is right for you? Okay, how do you know which are the right credit card offers to take advantage of? We're gonna talk about that. We're gonna break it all down in today's training. Hey everyone, it's Mike Adams, and on this channel we empower individuals to achieve freedom through improved financial literacy, business ownership, and better banking. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click subscribe, click the bell, so that way you get notified on any and all of our future training. So in this video, guys, we're going to be discussing how you choose. Okay, there's all these different credit card offers out there. How do you know which credit card is the right credit card, for you and for your family? How do you know? How do you know which offer to take advantage of? Maybe you're getting all these different offers in the mail. They all look really, really good. Which of these cards is actually right for you? And that is a fantastic question. And the great news is here, we got an answer for you. And the bottom line is this, guys: when it comes to acquiring new lines of credit, the number one thing you need to think of, okay, and this is really even before you can decide what credit card you want, you need to think about why, or what is the purpose of this line of credit. Okay, that's the number one thing you need to decide before you go get a line of credit. You don't want to just go and apply. You got to say, okay, I want this credit card because I want to do this. Maybe it's because you want to do a credit card balance transfer. Maybe you have a different credit card and you want to be able to do a balance transfer. Okay, maybe you want to be able to do velocity banking strategy, where again you're going to use those balance transfer checks to write it to yourself for cash, get it to your mortgage, thus bringing a chunk over to the line of credit. Okay, perhaps, okay, you're looking for a card to use for your everyday purchases, okay, where you're not necessarily looking to do any chunking or do anything like that where you're transferring, but what you're looking for is mileage, or you're looking for a points program because you spend a lot of money, you want to run all your transactions through one card, and you want to rack up some points. And again, those points can be miles, they can be converted into gift cards, things like that. So again, those are just a couple of reasons, but why do you want the line of credit? Okay, how are you actually going to be using that line of credit? Those factors are key before you can even come close to deciding which card you want. You need to have a reason as to why you want this card, so that way you know exactly how you want to use it. And once you know how you want to use your card, from there you can decide which card to go for. Now, to do this, what you want to do is you want to take a look at all of these different offers, right? And you want to select the cards that have the features, okay, that are going to give you the benefits that you're looking for. So again, some cards out there are fantastic cards, and they have a great rewards program, and typically these cards are going to be great for everyday purchases. If this is your standard expense card, you're going to use it every single day for every single purchase, and then at the end of the month pay it off every single month down to zero. Hey, these cards are fantastic. But okay, if you're looking to do a balance transfer, if you're like, okay, I want to do velocity banking, I'm looking to write myself one of these balance transfer checks to myself for cash and be able to, write it to myself and then send a chunk to my mortgage and bring it over. You want to make sure that that particular credit card has that balance transfer feature available right off the bat. Don't assume that your line of credit after the fact is going to allow you to do a balance transfer. They got a sweet rewards program. That's great. Well, that's what the card is trying to bring you in on. Right, that's kind of the special thing that they're trying to bring you in on is, hey, we got a great rewards program. Other cards are going to say, hey, we'll allow you to do balance transfers. We'll let you do them at 0%, maybe even 0%, zero fee. Okay, and again, that's the kind of the carrot on the string that they're trying to use to bring you in. Most of the time, they're not gonna give you both. Now, and to that point, as your credit improves, a lot of these lines over here that do the balance transfers and will allow you to do that, many of these lines of credit will actually offer, points, different types of points programs and things like that. So a lot of times these are great cards, but these particular points programs attached to balance transfer cards aren't always as good as points cards. Again, some of these cards are designed for people that want to rack up points. So again, you need to know why you want the card, how you want to use it. And again, once you know how you want to use it, make sure that the card that you're going to apply for has the features that you're looking for, so that way you can use it how you want to use it to get the benefit that you're looking for. And the bottom line is, over time, if you don't take advantage of their offers, as long as your credit score continues to improve, the offers that they send you tend to get better. Okay, so again, if you don't have a specific reason to acquire a line of credit, like again, if you don't have a plan for it, and they're sending you decent offers in the mail, okay, that's fine. Just continue to ignore them, and then when you're ready to make a move, okay, when you're ready to make a chunk, or whenever you're ready to perhaps leverage a line of credit to get involved in an investment property or something like that, whenever you're ready to actually make a move, from there you could take a look at the offers that are available. And again, over time, if they've already been sending you, they're going to continue to send you offers, and over time those offers improve. Day one, okay, let's say you're sitting at a 720 credit score and you got good utilization, and they're sending you a decent offer, 3% balance transfer fees, we'll give you 0% for 12 months. And you don't take them up on it. Let's say you're not ready to make a move, or whatever the case may be. You don't have a reason to get that line of credit right now. So you just wait, and you keep working, you keep paying down your debt, you keep bettering your financial scenario. And now it's 12 months later, and now you have a 760 credit score, you have less utilization, everything's looking better. That same unsolicited offer from the same exact bank may be a zero fee offer. It may be a 0% for 24 months or 18 to 24 months offer instead of the initial 12 that they sent you. So over time, again, as long as you're managing your budget, reducing your debt load, and continuing to better your credit, they'll continue to send you better offers over time. And then when you're ready to take advantage of one, you'll get the best offer at the right time. So those are some of the things to look for when you're looking to take advantage of credit card offers. Again, you always know in advance why you want the line of credit. What is its purpose? What are you going to use it for? Once you know what you're going to use it for, then you determine how you're going to use that line of credit. Are you using it for transfers? Are you using it for everyday purchases? Because once you know that, then you're going to know which cards to look for, right? Which cards to actually apply, because you're going to look at those lines and make sure that they have the right features. If that card is not, if you want to do balance transfers, you want to make sure that this thing is, hey, day one, they're going to let you do a balance transfer. You want to make sure of that before you apply. Okay, if you're looking for a big points program, make sure that that's what you're going to get before you apply. Okay, and then use those lines accordingly. Also, don't accept any credit offers just for the sake of accepting it. Always, again, have a reason and a purpose to apply for any new lines. And again, as you continue to better your credit and improve your financial scenario, if they continue to send you nice unsolicited offers for credit and you're not accepting them until you're ready to make a move, over time they will continue to send you better and better offers over time, and with reduced fees and reduced interest at longer and longer terms. And if you are in fact looking for some of the best credit cards offers out there, especially for balance transfers, I'll put a link to that here, and you can check that out, or here. That way you can check out that video about some of the different credit cards that we've used that we've had a lot of success with the transfer side of it. Some of my favorite lines of credit, and some of these do actually give you points as well, which is really, really, really cool. But the main thing for you is just understanding what you want to use the line for. You need to know that before you can apply for any line, because you need to make sure that it has the features that you need to get the benefits that you're looking to get out of that line. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.